One other early morning comment I was going to make. The last, let's say, 5-6 days, so from Crater Lake to Ashland, and then the first day after Ashland, I was encountering just approximately between 75 and 100 northbound hikers, so hikers going the other way, every day. It was absolutely busy on the trail. Finding places to camp was tough because they were occupied by northbounders and so forth. Yesterday I think I encountered about 4, and this morning it's been just very quiet, and I think what's happened is that I think the northbound hikers who were sort of behind others used the fire closures as a reason to... So this area I'm in right now is not closed. In fact, the PCTA recommends that you hike to Sayad Valley, and then from Sayad Valley, where I'm going right now, there is a closure south of there, so I'll have to skip around that. But I think what's happening is a lot of the northbound hikers decided to skip some of these areas too in order to make up lost time. Hikers call that yellow blazing, which means that you follow the yellow lines on the highway, take a car or a bus or hitchhike or whatever, instead of taking the trail. And it's a term of derision mostly. But I mean, I certainly understand why people don't want to walk in smoky areas. But my own philosophy is that I'm here to hike the whole trail, and I'm going to hike every bit of it except that which is closed. And also, when it comes to the closure, I think I explained earlier that the closure that I had to do already was only a 20-mile closure, but logistically, the only reasonable thing to do was to skip more than that in order to find endpoints that you could enter and exit, by hitchhiking and so forth. So, I won't skip a section just out of convenience or just because I don't want to. But it'll just be if the trail itself is closed, and then whatever I need to skip in order to get around that comfortably. So that's today.